What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. So if you're new to the channel, this is Taco. The channel name is Taco12, and right now I am headed over to a little famous landmark around this area that is the Painted Bridge, and I believe it is called the Hillman Bridge. This bridge was built many years ago. You'll be able to tell once we get there, but the bridge was actually had a truck come through, from my understanding, and what it did was it had too big a load on it, and it actually was too high and hit and tweaked the bridge, the structure of the bridge, in a way that the bridge could not be used for heavy loads any longer. So they ended up, the county or the state, whoever does bridges, ended up rerouting the road around and built a new bridge, and they had some load limits on this bridge. The bridge became a famous little landmark, and it's a nice little ride out here to it. I've been on the interstate for about an hour, give or take a few minutes, but anyway, I'll put a picture of the bridge right here. So if you see when we get over here, you'll be able to tell that the bridge became a artsy place, so to speak. Lots of paintings, lots of even on the website for the bridge, if you go to come look at it, they tell you to bring a can of paint and do some artwork. So anyway, that all being said, I hope y'all enjoy this ride over here. This is a little bit of backcountry riding right in here, and we're gonna head over to it and see what it's all about. Y'all stick around today. So there is a guy riding a bike in front of me. I have no idea who he is. He passed me a little bit ago. I guess he's just out for a ride today himself. So anyway, so back to what I was saying. This is for the area, this is a pretty cool little attraction. It's just a place where people go and express themselves in an art form, and it ends up being a pretty cool little spot. Last time I was here, looked like looked like no one had really been doing any big artwork on it. Looks like it was a little bit old, but it was still a very cool place. So that all being said, we should be there in just a few minutes, but I won't bore y'all with the ride. I'll leave a little bit of it in there for y'all, but watch it. If not, you can just skip ahead and kind of see the bridge, but it's a pretty cool little area. Over there. Yeah. Everyone, so when the bridge got damaged, all this right here, this new part of the road right here got built, and the new bridge got put over. So if you're going to look to my left right here, I'm going to, that's the painted bridge. That's where we're going. Pretty cool little spot. So and there's people here. Hello. Ah. So, the last time I was here, you could yeah, the last time I was here, you could drive through. I guess they don't want people doing that no more. So, that being said, hold on just a minute and we'll walk over. Alright everyone, so this is the painted bridge, and I'm gonna turn it around and let y'all look at it. So this is an old bridge that on the other end down there, truck tried to come through, had too big of a load, it hit it, tweaked the steel structure of the bridge, so the bridge had to be re-rated and wasn't big enough. So what they ended up doing was they ended up building that bridge over there. So that bridge over there, it routed the road around and all. But as you can see, this become a spot where people come over here and they draw and do other things. But the last time I was over here, that yellow guard right there that was down there when we first got off the motorcycle wasn't here, so you could actually see it. So this right here is the Suwannee River over here in Florida. So if you look at the Suwannee River, it's really low right now. It actually will come up, I don't know how many feet that is over there, but if you look from the river where it's at now to the bottom of the train tracks right there, it's probably a good, I don't know, 20 foot maybe a little bit more than that. Water, I've seen pictures of it where water will be at the bottom of the steel that the track rides on. So it will flood up pretty well. So anyway, I'm gonna look and see. There's another one not too far from here. I might be able to get out and get some other pictures. But yeah, this is it, everyone. Again, this is the Suwannee River. This is I believe this is called the Hillman Bridge, and as you can tell, it's not in use anymore. And again, I wish I could have came over here and done something. I would have liked to got the drone out and got some footage of the bike and all over here on the bridge. I've got a couple pictures, and it's from when my son and I were here. But yeah, so anyway, if y'all would please like and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and if I can get some other footage, I will add it in here also. All right, everyone, so I did look up. There was another one of those painted bridges about 15 minutes from us over here. So we're going to go ahead and head over this way and see what it's all about. The other one was a little disappointment on this time. It was I don't remember, it was back early summertime. I came to the one we just left, and it looks like there's not really been a lot of people over there continuing to upkeep with the graffiti. So the pictures online that I saw of this other one over here is seems to be a lot nicer. So we're gonna head over there. We'll be over there in about 14-15 minutes, and we'll see what it's like. Right now, it's going to put me about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes away from home. So it's probably going to be close to dark when I get back, or if not dark. But you know, I really just wanted to get out and do some riding and get a little bit of content for you, the viewers, and hopefully it's something y'all will enjoy, and we'll go from there. like his tag says Mr. Love. Alright everyone, so we made it over here to this bridge. It is actually a little bit nicer. So looks like it's got some more vibrant paint on it. You can see the river, so let's check it out. See, the water is really low right now. But yeah, this bridge is a lot nicer and more decorated than the other one. So yeah, very cool. You can smell fresh paint. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So here it is, everyone. Well, if y'all would, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate all the time and all that everyone watches the videos. So if you would, again, please like and subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful day.